Meaning of ledge.
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 Ledge. The word ledge has a few different meanings. 1. A narrow horizontal surface projecting from a wall, cliff, or other surface. For example, there is a narrow ledge along the side of the cliff where we can walk. 2. A shelf built into or projecting from a wall to hold objects. For example, there's a ledge under the window where I put some potted plants. 3. The brink or edge of a cliff. For example, from the ledge, we had a beautiful view overlooking the valley. 4. A shelf-like projection of rock or coral reef lying at or near the surface of the water. 5. A prominent point or position of advantage. For example, the company has a ledge in the technology industry with its innovative products. So in summary, a ledge is generally a narrow, shelf-like surface jutting out from a wall, cliff face, or other vertical surface. It provides a place to put objects or a footing to walk along.